shoots out in front. Gaudreau a shot. Binnington a save. The puck is still loose. And a three. The score missed a wide open net. Gilder scores off the glove of Binnington in. Mark Van Gilder's second goal of the season. And here comes Shields now. 3-on-3, the Wolves attack. Shields out in front. And it's played way back. Now Harper. Oh, he kind of fanned on it. Streaking down the right side. Puts in the brakes. Works away from All. Now cycles back and All catches up to him with the shoulder. Supporting again. Boards and plays it loose. Lindbaum a shot. He scores! We're tied at 1. Will rotate the puck. Made to the line. Chelios fakes. Now wrists it into the slot. Made shoots. He scores! Now Craig on the forecheck. Sends it on front. Binnington slides. Makes the save. Then back on in front. Broken up at the goal line. And it comes back to Binnington. Back to the point, Chelios and Christer just wide on the right-handed catching goaltender Mazanets. That's behind the net, Wanstrom. Rimmed around, Chelios holds his own out in front. Welsh tips, he scores! Jake Chelios, a two-helper game, and the Wolves help themselves to a 2-goal lead. Teto has the puck now. 45 to go in the Milwaukee power play. Dropped off that center. Challenge at the line. Keeping the play deep by Newman. Now pass on the front. Oh, what a kick save by Binnington. And then the net jarred loose after Binnington made the save. Oh, lead pass. Sissons cuts it. Binnington is in. Rebound Stallberg. The split glove save from Binnington. And he hangs on to the shot by Diaby. Wolves coming into action tonight. 17% on the power play. Here comes Harper. Shoots, he scores! Billy called it, and Harper delivers. His third of the season, and goals in back-to-back games for him.